Our family's resolution was to eat a little bit more fish in 2025. This is a perfect recipe to include fish, add this to our diet, but not make it too fishy, if you know what I mean. For the topping, we used about 2 pounds of potatoes. You want to add about 1/3 of a cup of milk or cream, a little bit of butter, and some fresh salt and pepper. I also like to add a little bit of garlic to the potatoes in that first stage. 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 to 3 leeks, about 2 stalks of celery that are nicely chopped. Because we have beautiful carrots in our Good Food box, we also want to add about 2 carrots. Saute those ingredients together. 3 tablespoons of flour over top of our vegetables. 1.5 to 2 cups of milk, or I love to use cereal cream, so that's what I've used. 2 tablespoons of fresh dill, 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and then we're going to add some hot sauce. Just bring it up to a boil, and then we're going to add our cut up fish. We've used frozen cod. We will fold these ingredients all together in our frying pan. We'll put this in a preheated oven at that 350 to 375 for about 30 minutes. This will come out goldy, brown, bubbly. I know you won't be able to wait to put your spoon into this. So we thank you for joining us, and please remember, if you like this recipe, push like and subscribe below.